This is pre-calculus video 6.2 applications, part 3. All right, so from the top of a lighthouse at a height of 100 feet above sea level. So top of the lighthouse, all right, this is 100 feet. Oops. All right, 100. The angle of depression. So remember in the previous video, I said that angle of inclination, angle of depression are always measured with the horizontal, okay? So sometimes what we have to do is we have to draw this imaginary horizontal line, all right? So there's my imaginary horizontal line that is, straight out in front of my eyeballs if I am standing at the top of the lighthouse. And if I have to look down to the sailboat, because I'm standing on top of the lighthouse, okay, my vision, the angle my head would drop to see the sailboat was 55 degrees. That's my angle of depression, all right? How far from the foot of the lighthouse is the sailboat? Okay, again, remembering that the lighthouse had to have been built perpendicular to the ground, perpendicular to sea level, etc. Okay. The sea water is also horizontal. So this line here and this line here are parallel. They are both horizontal lines. So parallel lines cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are congruent. So here, this is also 55 degrees. All right. Now, the reason I did that was I wanted to make sure that the angle I was given was, inside an angle interior to the right triangle. All right. How far from the foot of the lighthouse is the sailboat? All right. Here's my X. All right. The measurement from the foot of the lighthouse to the sailboat. All right. So relative to 55 degrees, I want to consider the side I was given, which is 100, and then the unknown, that's your X, that's your adjacent side. So 100 is opposite, X is adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is a tangent relationship. Tangent of 55 degrees equals 100 over X. That's opposite over adjacent. Multiply both sides by X. X cancels on the right. I've got X times the tangent of 55 degrees equals 100. Divide both sides. I'm trying to get X by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by the tangent of 55 degrees. Right? So that gives me this time tangent 55 cancels. And that gives me X equals 100 divided by tangent of 55 degrees. Calculator. 1, 1, 1. Right? 1, 1. All right. I'm sure you're tired of hearing me say that. Let's redo the calculator. So I have 100 divided by the tangent of 55. That would be 70. So X equals 70. All right, 70 what? Well, we were measuring in feet. 70 feet. Next problem. All right. While on a nature walk, a person spots a small oak tree with an angled elevation right? So if her eyes are 165 off the ground, then the opposite side of that rectangle will also be 165. Right? How far is the person from the oak tree? All right, so we're looking for this X. All right, I do not have an angle inside this right triangle. Right? So here I've got parallel lines. Right here, line parallel to this one. Cut by a transversal right here. So my alternate interior angles are congruent. So that would be congruent with 15 degrees. So therefore, this angle right here is 15. Right? All right, so now I've got 165 is opposite 15, and the x is adjacent 15. Opposite and adjacent is tangent. The tangent of 15 degrees equals 165 over x. Multiply both sides by x. So we've got x times the tangent of 15 equals 165. Divide both sides by tangent 15. Okay, so x equals 165 divided by the tangent of 15. Calculator. One. Oh, it shut off on me again. There we go. 165 divided by tangent 15. 615 centimeters, because this was given in centimeters. Okay. Part B, find the height of the tree. Right, so I'm already given 165 is from the ground to her eye level. All right. I would also like to know the distance from her eye level to the top of the tree. And if I add them together, I should get the tree. So I've got 25 degrees in that top right triangle. Here, oops, I didn't even do that. Okay. I've got 25 degrees. It won't let me point. Mouse. There we go. I've got 25 degrees inside that upper right triangle. I need a length of a side of the triangle. I'm trying to find x, okay? But I just calculated 615. And I don't think that I have any other information. So let's put 615 in here. That's the length of what's her name to the tree, right? So I've got 25 degrees. Opposite is the height from the eye level to the top of the tree, and adjacent is how far she is from the tree, right? So I've got tangent 25 degrees equals x over 615. 615 tangent 25 degrees equals x. Calculator. So we'll put 615, and I rounded that badly. Paterno, you are embarrassing. That should be 616. This is 616. All right, anyway. But the exact decimal, or not exact, but rounded to a bunch of decimal places is still in the calculator memory, which is very lucky. So I can just say that existing number that's right there in front of me in the calculator times, oops, hold on, I'm going to go answer times tangent 25. There we go. Gives me 287 centimeters. All right, well, what was 287 centimeters? Well, this x is. All right, so to get the height of the tree, all right, I have to add the distance of her eyes from the ground and that other number I just calculated. So that would be, height is 165 plus 287. Okay. 165 plus the answer I already got. Oops. Right. 287 is 452 centimeters. All right, I think this video is getting long too. Oh, 13 minutes. All right, let's stop this video.